at the center of a double murder trial in Fairfax County.
Yeah, Brendan Banfield is charged in the murder of his wife, Christine, and another man allegedly brought to the home through a fetish website as part of what prosecutors are painting as a bigger plan to frame him for the murders made up by Banfield and the family au pair he was having an affair with.
DC News Now's Randy Bass was in the courtroom today as the au pair got back on the stand to testify. Randy, she was up there for most of the day.
Yes, Mark, she was up there from 10 o'clock this morning until 5 o'clock this afternoon. Just about every minute today was Juliana Peres Magalhaes, the au pair in the center of this trial. Her testimony today mostly focusing on the plea deal she received, reducing her sentence to time served that she ultimately took in exchange for her cooperation with prosecutors. Banfield's defense, though, painted a very different picture of what led up to that plea deal, painting a picture of emotional turmoil as she sat behind bars for a year. Today, prosecutors asking Juliana Peres Magalhaes why she accepted a plea deal, reducing her charge to manslaughter and a sentence of time served, flipping against her former lover, Brendan Banfield, charged in the murder of his wife, Christine, and a man named Joe Ryan, allegedly lured to their home through a fetish website to frame him for Christine's murder.
The thought of being the right thing to do, we all deserved to know what really happened. I just couldn't keep it to myself, the feeling of shame and guilt and sadness, and I had a potential of getting less time.
Brendan Banfield's defense attorney, John Carroll, then began cross-examination, asking her about dozens of letters, chats, and calls she made from jail in 2023 and 2024 before she was supposed to go to trial in fall of 2024, before she ultimately took that plea deal. She read parts of those letters sent to Banfield and his mother out loud for the court.
They want me to cooperate against you, your son. I have no idea what they are making up. Lies. I would give my life for his. I would take the blame for both of us.
More letters and chats reveal the au pair struggled with her mental health and suicidal ideation while in jail, along with fears Brendan and his mother would stop paying for her attorney, jail chats and commissary, and frustrations with what she described as uncommunicative and ineffective counsel. She recalled some specific details during cross, but not all, including missing big details about when she accepted the plea, switching her story, and ultimately telling prosecutors about the alleged plot to murder Christine Banfield.
What you're saying is that you're forgetting crucial details regarding a horrific, tragic event for many people here.
Well, I think you can also call it trauma.
Okay,
for things you've seen, for things that happened that your brain blocks out.
Now, after cross-examination wrapped up today, prosecutors had a chance to ask her a few more questions. Nothing crazy, but the one last question that they did ask her, prosecutors said, Juliana, everything we talked about today and yesterday, was that all the truth? She said, yes, it was. Now, everything is wrapped up in court for today. Jurors were sent home right around 4:30. Everybody is expected back in court tomorrow at 10 a.m., where witnesses are expected to resume testifying. Live in Fairfax, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.
Randy, thank you. And right